later. The concept which is very much important in JEE Mains and advanced, reflection of a point. Okay, reflection of a point about a straight line. That means if this is a point, let's say P, x1 comma y1, and this is a straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is the reflected point and this is O point, is the foot of the perpendicular. O point is the foot of perpendicular. Okay, so now what thing we have learned? All of the things will be implemented in this particular concept. All of the things. Okay, so what is the slope of this line? Firstly, you know that this is foot of the perpendicular. That means this is perpendicular. Okay, so what is the slope of this line? Minus a by b. Okay, the slope of this line, let's say this is L1. So m of L1 equal to minus a by b, and if this is L2, if this is L2, that means you can say that this POP is a straight line. Yes, the slope of this line is m of L2 equal to d by a, as the straight lines are perpendicular to each other. So the slope of L2 is b by a, and we know that tan theta equal to b by a, and from the triangle concept, BA and this will be b square plus a square. Okay, so tan theta is b by a. Then if this is theta, then tan theta is b by a. Then what is the value of cos theta? A by root over a square plus b square, and sin theta is equal to b by root over a square plus b square. Okay, so the thing is that we have already learned what is the distance d, or let's say L2. Okay, and this is, let's say this is x comma y. X comma y is satisfying this equation. Ax plus by equal to c. Xy is variable. Okay, so we can write x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y minus y1 upon sin theta, or you can write this way, x1 minus x by cos theta equal to y1 minus y upon sin theta. Okay, this thing, and that equal to the distance. The distance is, what is the distance formula from a point to a line? That is ax1 plus by1 plus c. We wrote x1 y1 before y and x because we are taking the distance from this point to this. Okay, by root over a square plus b square, and x1 x minus x1 by equal to y minus y1 by equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by cos theta means a by root over a square plus b square, b by root over a square plus b square equal to just root over a square plus b square. Okay, we are multiplying both of these with 1 by a square plus b square. That means into 1 by a square plus b square. So this will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out and it will be squared. So x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. This is this distance only. Okay, and the coordinates x equal to x1 plus okay, x1 plus a into this term, comma y1 plus b into this term. Okay, x equal to this term plus x1 and y equal to this term plus y1. Okay, this is the point, the distance between the point P and O. Now we have to find out what is the distance between. Okay, so this is the distance. This is the distance. Okay, this is the distance d. This is only the d, but the coordinate of point O is x, that is a multiplied by this plus x1 and y equal to b multiplied by this plus y1. This is the coordinate of point O, which is the foot of the perpendicular. Now we have to find out p dash. Now just think, if this is a reflection of this point, what does that mean? That means this length and this length are same. That means this multiplied by 2. So the equation will be this, equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. This is particularly only this is the distance total p to p1. P O P dash equal to minus, don't write minus, mod of r, that means 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. But the coordinates of p dash is x1 plus 2 times this plus y1 plus 2 times this. Okay, x plus 2 times this, comma y1 plus 2 times this, double of this. So this is the entire thing of reflection of a point about a straight line. This is the entire concept, and we will be solving a problem and we will end the class in today's session. And okay, so the last problem which we will be solving, the last problem based on this concept. Okay, if you have not copied it, please pause the video and take it in your notebook. So find the reflection anything you can write, t or x, reflection of a point 4, 1 with respect to 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Please look at the formula. Okay, so what is the reflection of the formula? What is the reflection of a point? X minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. Just put the values. What is x1? 4. What is a? 3. What is y1? 1. What is b? 4. What is x1? What is a? 3. What is x1? 4. What is b? 4. What is y1? 1 plus what is c? Minus 5 by 3 square plus 4 square. So x minus 4. Okay. So x minus 4 upon 3. X minus 4 upon 3 equal to minus 2 times 12 plus 4 minus 5 upon 25, and y minus 1 upon 4 equal to minus 2 into 12 plus 4 minus 5 upon 25. That means x minus 4 upon 3 equal to minus 2 into 12 plus 4 16 into 11 by 25. Okay, so x equal to near you will find 34 upon 25, and y equal to you will find 22 minus 63 upon 25. Okay, so this will be okay. Let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. X minus 4 equal to 6 minus 66 upon 25 plus 4. That means x equal to 100 minus 66 upon 25. That means 34 by 25. And this is minus 22 upon 25. That means minus 88 upon 25 plus 1. That means minus 88 plus 25 by 25. Okay. So this will be quite minus 63 upon 25. Okay. So this is the entire thing about the straight lines. Okay. So thank you.